In this next video series of this course, we are going to go through the most popular social media platforms that you are able to upload your video content to. Now, there are three aspects that we're going to hit on each and every social media platform that's extremely important to understand when uploading your videos. Those three aspects are format, for example, horizontal versus vertical video. Two is who is your audience and what does your message look like to that audience. The third aspect is being aware of the runtime of each of your videos, because every social media has a different expectation of the user watching each video. Now, the cool thing about this is social media is constantly changing. So because you have purchased this course, you are a lifetime user, we are going to be updating each one of these videos as time goes on and social media platform changes. Now, again, we don't require that you market on each and every one of these social media platforms, so you can skip or pick and choose which ones you watch. But if you are interested in learning about all these social media platforms, go ahead and give it a watch. There's some valuable content educating you on these social media platforms.